The dawn of AI mode, reshaping information access. Google has introduced a new system. It is called AI mode. This system is changing how we search for information online. The traditional search bar, a familiar tool for decades, is being overshadowed. In its place, a chatbot interface emerges, inviting users to ask questions directly. This AI, powered by Google's Gemini 2.5 model, then provides answers it has generated. This signifies a profound shift from users navigating a sea of links to receiving a curated response. The power to choose which information to explore first is subtly transferred from the individual to the algorithm. This change, rolling out since May 20th, 2025, marks a new era. AI mode is not just a simple chatbot, it comes with many advanced features. AI overviews, launched in 2024, have already shown their impact. Google reports these overviews increased search usage. This suggests users are engaging more with these AI summarized answers. The system uses a query fan-out technique. This technique breaks down complex questions. It then issues multiple queries at once. This allows for a deeper exploration of the web, orchestrated by the AI. It promises more comprehensive results, but the process remains hidden from the user, a black box determining relevance. Another feature is deep search. This aims to provide thorough responses. It can issue hundreds of searches. The goal is to create expert-level reports on demand. Imagine needing information and receiving a pre-digested report. Live capabilities allow interaction using Google Lens. Users can ask questions about what their smartphone camera sees. This merges the physical and digital worlds through the AI's interpretive lens. The convenience is undeniable. However, the reliance on AI interpretation grows with each new capability, subtly shaping our perception of reality itself. Furthermore, AI mode includes agentic capabilities. These allow the AI to automate tasks. It can purchase tickets through platforms like Ticketmaster. It can make reservations via services like Reezy. An AI shopping partner combines Gemini with Google's shopping graph, and this offers personalized shopping experiences. It even includes virtual try-ons and agentic checkout with Google Pay. Personal context, derived from past searches and connected Google apps like Gmail, further tailors suggestions. While user opt-in is mentioned, the default towards integration is a powerful nudge, making our digital lives increasingly transparent to the system. The enclosing walls, everything apps, and centralized control. Google's AI mode is not an isolated development. It is part of a much larger trend in the technology industry. Major companies are racing to create everything apps. These applications aim to centralize a vast array of online activities. The goal is to become the single portal through which users conduct their digital lives. This reduces the need for multiple specialized apps. Instead, one dominant platform seeks to fulfill every need. From communication to commerce, from information to entertainment, the Everything app aspires to be the sole intermediary. This concentration of digital life into fewer hands has significant implications for market competition and user choice. Many powerful tech companies are pursuing this vision. OpenAI markets its ChatGPT for a wide range of tasks. These include coding, document summarization, and shopping. It even extends to graphic production and web searching. Elon Musk explicitly aims to transform X, formerly Twitter, into an everything app. Meta, the parent company of Facebook and Instagram, promotes its own AI for comprehensive use across its platforms. Amazon has introduced Alexa Plus as a generative AI assistant. This assistant is designed to integrate more deeply into users' daily routines and purchasing habits. Each company sees AI as the key to unlocking this integrated future. The pattern continues across the tech landscape. Microsoft describes its AI co-pilot as a companion for all tasks. It aims to weave AI assistance into every aspect of its software and services. Apple, known for its tightly controlled ecosystem, is marketing Apple Intelligence. It is also revamping Siri to revolutionize iPhone usage. The intent is clear: to make its AI an indispensable part of the Apple experience. Even companies like Airbnb are reportedly transitioning. They are moving towards platforms where users can sell and do almost anything. This signals a fundamental shift from specialized services to all-encompassing digital environments. This drive towards everything apps powered by AI is a strategic move. It's about capturing user attention and data on an unprecedented scale. By becoming the central hub for digital activities, these companies gain enormous power. They control the flow of information, they influence user choices, they gather vast quantities of behavioral data. This data, in turn, is used to further refine the AI and personalize the user experience. However, this personalization often comes at the cost of serendipity and independent discovery. The walls of the digital garden grow higher, making it harder to venture outside the curated environment. The fading human algorithm, autonomy and curiosity under siege. The shift towards AI-driven interfaces like Google's AI mode represents a fundamental change. It moves us away from user-driven exploration. Instead, we receive AI-determined responses. When we used traditional search, we were presented with a list of sources. We, the users, made judgments about credibility and relevance. We navigated the information landscape ourselves. This process, while sometimes laborious, fostered critical thinking and information literacy. The AI now acts as a powerful intermediary. It decides what information is most important. It presents a synthesized answer, often obscuring the original sources or the reasoning behind its conclusions. This trend has a direct impact on user autonomy. Our ability to act independently and make our own choices is diminished. If an AI consistently provides the best answer or completes tasks for us, the incentive to develop our own problem-solving skills wanes. Curiosity, that innate human drive to explore and understand, may also suffer. When answers are readily supplied, the journey of discovery is short-circuited. The joy of stumbling upon unexpected insights or connecting disparate pieces of information is replaced by passive consumption. Digital sovereignty, our control over our own digital lives and data, becomes increasingly precarious as more decisions are delegated to these opaque systems. Relying heavily on AI for everyday tasks and decisions carries significant downsides. There is the risk of algorithmic bias. AI systems are trained on vast data sets. These data sets can reflect existing societal biases. If the AI's training data is skewed, its outputs will also be skewed. This can perpetuate and even amplify unfairness. Over-reliance can also lead to a decline in essential cognitive skills. Critical thinking, memory, and navigation are examples. If we no longer need to exercise these mental muscles, they may atrophy. The convenience offered by AI can thus become a form of cognitive outsourcing with long-term consequences. Ultimately, this evolution replaces curiosity with control. The AI systems are designed to guide and, in some ways, manage user behavior. The need for independent thinking is reduced when the AI offers a seemingly optimal path. This is not merely about finding information more efficiently. It is about shaping how we think and interact with the world. The Everything app intensifies this by creating a closed loop. Within this loop, the AI learns more about us, becomes more effective at predicting our needs, and further solidifies its role as the central orchestrator of our digital existence. The human algorithm, with its capacity for nuance and unexpected leaps of insight, is slowly being overwritten. Navigating the new Oracle choices in an AI-orchestrated world? When we look at Google's AI mode, launched in May 2025, and compare it to other AI interfaces, interesting differences emerge. As of early June 2025, some analyses suggest that competitors like Perplexity might offer a more mature experience. For instance, in tests, Google's AI mode sometimes suggested outdated products or provided cluttered, text-heavy plans. Perplexity, in contrast, offered more current recommendations and cleaner, better organized responses with useful visual aids. This suggests that Google, despite its vast resources, is still refining its approach to this new paradigm of AI-first interaction. The path to a seamless AI experience is not yet fully paved. The user experience with Google's AI mode has faced some initial criticism. Its layout can feel dense, especially on mobile devices. The workflow, requiring navigation to a specific section for AI queries, can feel clunky compared to more direct interfaces. Some observers note that Google's AI mode feels like an add-on to its existing search. Perplexity, on the other hand, appears more intentionally designed around AI from the ground up. Furthermore, concerns about commercial bias have been raised regarding Google's AI. Its results pages are sometimes filled with shopping links, a tendency not as apparent in Perplexity's outputs. This highlights a critical challenge balancing helpfulness with commercial imperatives. Despite these early criticisms, Google's AI mode possesses immense potential. Google has a track record of rapid iteration, especially with its Gemini models. Its ability to integrate AI across its vast ecosystem of apps, from Gmail to Maps, gives it a powerful advantage. The stated goal is an end-to-end AI search experience with advanced reasoning and multimodality. AI overviews are already touted as delivering fast AI responses, reportedly increasing user satisfaction. The ambition is clear: to create a deeply embedded AI assistant that anticipates and serves user needs proactively, becoming an indispensable digital companion that learns and adapts continuously. The future of digital interaction is being profoundly reshaped by these AI developments. We are moving towards a world where AI oracles provide answers, manage tasks, and even influence our decisions. This transformation carries both promise and peril. The convenience is alluring, but the implications for user autonomy, critical thought, and digital sovereignty are immense. As these everything apps and AI modes become more sophisticated, the choices we make about how we engage with them will be crucial. We must question who benefits from this control and what it means to cede so much of our digital agency to these powerful, centralized systems. The age of AI is not just about new tools, it is about a new distribution of power.